Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to connect Facebook Shop to Shopify. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I have here my Facebook shop. So if I head over in here on the settings, I can actually see some settings that can help me with my shop. But you can see that there's actually no setting in order to actually integrate this specific Facebook page into my Shopify. So if you head over in here on the apps and website, you can still see it from there. Even if you head over to the Meta Business Suite, there is still no option to connect your Instagram or your Shopify from in here. So what we can do in these cases? So on cases like this, what we can do is you can head over to Shopify directly. And in here, you should be able to see the apps. So from in there, head over and click on the apps. And then once you have head over and click on that, it will open this search bar that we have right here. And then in here, you can just search in here for Facebook. So let's search in here for Facebook. And then click on this right here. You can see that they have this Facebook and Instagram, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. But what I recommend you to install is this Facebook and Instagram option right here. So head over and click on this application. Now this will actually direct you to the App Store of Shopify. So head over and click on the install button in here. And then from in there, it will actually load on your profile. So in here, it will ask for permission in order to successfully install this application on your Shopify. So just head over and click on the install button. Now it will take some time, so just cut back and relax. So this is what the dashboard will look like. So what you can do is you can actually head over and click on the Get Started button right here. So let's head over and click on that. Click on Get Started right here. And then this will open this specific right here, and you can set up the ads on Facebook of Instagram. So head over and connect your Facebook account to get started. Click on this connect account right here, and then this will open this actual window or new window wherein you can click on this continue button right here in order to switch account and connect it successfully. So I just click it, and as you can see, it's been checked. So what we can do is you can click on this connect right here in order to connect a business portfolio for this specific application. So click on this one. And as you can see, it will also open the manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing preferences. So just choose which ones is applicable to you. Then after that, click on the save button. Once you have saved that, as you can see, just head over and then try to connect a pixel that you have in order to track customer behavior. Click on this continue right here, connect, and then in here you should be able to see the terms and condition. Click on this checkbox right here. Then click on this submit for review. Once you have done that, it will actually show like this, and it will finalize the channel setup. So this says that it will take several minutes. Do not refresh your page or anything. So as you can see, it's done loading. So you can actually just head over in here and create an ad for your Facebook account that you have connected. So head over and click on this create ad, and then this will open this new window that will head you over to the ad manager of Facebook, wherein you can actually just publish an advertisement or campaign that you have created. So for this one, you can enable this setup for the advertisement. And in here, you should be able to see some campaigns, ad reports, audiences, ad account settings, and all of these tools right here. So you are free to actually engage on this one. So you can also just click on this right here on the name that you have, and you can connect an actual account that you have. So for me, I have this account, and this is my account for this specific ad manager. So from in here, you can actually just publish an advertisement by clicking on the campaigns right here. And then you should be able to see some campaigns that you have, or you can click on this right here to the create button right here in order to add a new campaign on your list. So another thing that you need to take note of is this right here for the settings and privacy of your page. You can see in here that they have some settings. So what you can do is you can actually just make this page setup, and under this page setup, you need to actually just set recommendations, data sharing, and branded content in order to successfully set up your Facebook shop. Next thing that you need to take note of is this Meta Business Suite. So as you can see, this is my product page or my shop on Facebook. So as you can see, they have here this left sidebar. and there's a lot of things that you can choose from in here. So you can see in here notifications, inbox, content, and all of that, as well as the ads that we have right here and insights. So all the tools right here that you can see of is actually can be used in order to integrate or maximize the integration of Shopify to your Facebook. So what you can do next is you can actually click on this commerce right here, and then this will open you to a new tab, which is the businessesfacebook.com/commerce. And under in here you can see the assets that you have, so click on get started, then click on next, and just head over and click on next until it's done. And in here you can see in here is some assets that you have, so you can add a catalog for this one. So in order to add a catalog, you can search by name or ID, or you can just click on this add catalog if you don't have any. So click on this add catalog, and then in here it will load like this. And on this ad catalog, you can use this e-commerce. This because this e-commerce right here is actually connected to Shopify, since this is an e-commerce store that you have. So head over and click on this e-commerce, and then you can use online products or local products that you have that has inventory. So on my Shopify right here, you can click on the products and you can see what kind of products you are actually selling. So I am selling in here some clothes. We all know that clothes are local products that can be shipped. It's not online products that can be downloaded. So from in there, just click on next. And then you can choose the item location or the store location. So head over and click on next right here. And you can upload the product info. So from in here, you can see that we have this owner, which is our Shopify right here. So from in there, you can choose the catalog name. So let's name it Shopify products. And then from in here, click on create. And then once you have done that, this will finish and you should be able to see the catalog that you have created. So click on this view catalog. And then from in here, this will load like this. So let's just wait for that right here to take us to the comments manager. So in here, there is a free overview, and in here you can see the catalog that you have. So what you can do is you can click on this items right here. And then from in here, you should be able to see the items that you have on your Shopify. Now, since I already just created my actual catalog, it will take some time for this one in order to successfully integrate the products that I have right here into the commerce manager that I have on Facebook. So it will take some time, so just wait for that right there to finish the loading process, and once it's done, you should be able to see them right here. You can also see in here the ads as well as the shops that are present on your actual commerce manager. Now in here, you can click on this go to shops, and then from in here, you should be able to see the shops that are connected to our catalog. So in here, you can see that the shops is not available to my region, but if it's available to you, then you should be able to see it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!